So my question says, draw an angle of 60 degrees and label the angle A. So what you have to do first of all is draw a straight line. Do it in a pencil just in case you get this wrong. It can be horizontal, it can be at any angle you want it to be. So I'm going to draw a straight line. I'm going to make sure it's long enough because I need it to go off the end of my protractor. Now, to make it easier for myself, I tend to put a little dot here so I know where the end of my line is. Here's my protractor here. And what I need to do is I need to line up that dot with this crosshair just here. I also need to get this line on this line here. So it's a bit of juggling to make sure that I get that dot on that crosshair and that line on this line just here. So I move it just here. You see how I'm juggling it to make sure. And if it goes wrong, then just do it all over again. It's really, really important to take your time on this. I'm still not quite there. Okay, so I'm there. And now I need an angle of 60 degrees. So what I'm going to do is not go round on that 180. I'm looking at the 0. The 0 is on the line. This is where I need to start. I need to start at 0. That's 10 degrees, 20 degrees, all the way around to 60 degrees. And then that relates to this long line on the outside here. So I draw a little line. Yeah, it's just a bit less than I want to be, but I'm going to be happy with that. There is a degree of tolerance. Then you could use your protractor. You can use a ruler if you wanted to. I'm just going to use the protractor because it doesn't matter about length here. I'm making sure that that line here is exactly on the protractor, and I'm making sure that this dot is exactly on the protractor as well. So I'm going to put my pencil just here, my protractor just here. So now this is on the point here, and I'm going to draw that line. Leaving a pencil is absolutely fine. If you get it wrong, rub it out. Just going to check it definitely is 60 degrees. So I'm going to put my crosshair on this point. I'm going to put this line back where I had it before. And I'm just going to double check. Yes, it's at my 60 degrees. It's going through my 60 degrees. I'm happy that that's my angle. I haven't finished the question though. One of the important things to do when you get to the end of a question is to check back. I've drawn it, but I need to label it. I'm going to do it in pencil still. And I label it A.